Hi, I'm Diane. I'm a Generac customer, and I just received my home standby Wi-Fi module in the mail, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to install. So let's get started. So we're going to open up this box, and as you can see, the module is on the top. We're going to pull that out, and the instructions and the tool are in the bottom of the box. Step 1, remove the identification tag on your new Wi-Fi module. The information on this tag will be used later during the Wi-Fi activation process, so we're going to want to save that. So we're going to remove the Wi-Fi module out of this box. We're going to remove this tag. We're going to put this tag back in here for use for later. Step 2, I'm going to look for the gray plug on the back of my generator. I'm going to use the flat side of the tool to help loosen the plug. And then I'm going to use the sharp edge of the tool to remove the plastic cover. There we go. And now I'm going to take the new Wi-Fi module that I received. Step 4, I'm going to connect this Wi-Fi module plug with the generator connector plug. I'm going to push all these wires in so they're not exposed, and then I'm going to click this into place. I heard the click, so I know it's in there properly, and it's as easy as that. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.